Welcome back to my channel, Simple, Elegant, Handmade. Today we are creating a beautiful crochet purse in a refreshing mint shade. Perfect for spring, summer, or just adding a pop of color to your everyday look. To start, we are using a cotton yarn in mint and 5.5 mm crochet hook. This gives the purse structure while keeping it soft to the touch. The base begins with a magic circle followed by tight single crochet stitches to form a solid rounded foundation. Working our way up the sides, we use a combination of single and half double crochets. This creates a dense texture that's both durable and stylish. Don't worry if it curves in a little. It will take shapes as we go. Now for the flap. A simple rectangle in back loop only stitches gives it a sleek, ribbed look. The flap is worked directly onto one side of the purse for a seamless finish. Next, we add the strap for a crossbody style. We are using a braided yarn cord, but you can easily substitute with a chain strap or leather handle for a more elevated look. Secure each end tightly to the sides. For the final touch, we sew a magnetic snap and added a small metal charm to the flap. It's the little details that make it feel truly. And there you have it, a chic handmade crochet purse in mint. Light, modern, and made with love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy creations. If you want any suggestions, so please tell me in comment section. I will consider your opinion and improving my content. Keep supporting and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video and your love. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers. Then bye.